Hello there. This is Simon. And this is the motorcycle section of HappyShopping Center. Motorcycle lovers can compare prices for helmets, gloves, jackets, trousers, boots, body armors, knee pads, motorcycle suits, goggles and more products, among thousands shops. A true paradise for motorcycle lovers at HappyShopping Center. HappyShopping Center MotorCycle Section is an online shop and price comparison site for all tasters. Regardless your taste and pocket, you can search for the best deals among thousands of motorcycle shops. Visit HappyShopping Center today and begin your search. You'll be surprised with what you'll find. Take care.